Eagles Nation, stand up and welcome to Bird's Eye View from one fan to another. I'm your host and fellow fan, Clay Rowland. Man, let's get this thing popping. Lions 27, Eagles 24. I mean, we dropped a game that we should have won. Say that again. We dropped a game we should have won. I know, we were down some serious weapons. Alshon Jeffrey, Deshaun Jackson, we were down. But that's a game we should have won. The Lions did what they're supposed to do. They kicked us while we're down. They came into the lane, beat us up some more, beat us up, whatever you want to call it, left with a victory. Now we're sitting at 1-2 and looking farther up at the Cowboys. Anyway, it is what it is. But in this league, you have to win the games you're supposed to win. And that was a game that we're supposed to win. All right, got a short week. 1-2 going into Green Bay to a 3-0 Green Bay. Anyway, let me start where I always start, with my offense. And I'm going to start with the running back position. My last episode, what did I say? I said Miles Sanders, as an NFL running back, is not mature enough for the role that has been given to him. He puts the ball on the carpet. Eagles recover it. Cool. All right? Then I'll put him to the side and sat him down. But no, what did Doug and Deuce and Mike Groh do? Go back in, Miles. You fumbled it, but they didn't get the ball. So maybe you fumble this time, they recover it. And what happens? Lions recover it. And they go down and kick a field goal and put points on the board. Oh, by the way, the 3 points that we lost by. You got Jordan Howard for a reason. All pro back. So what I don't understand, this is bugging me. This is really bugging me. Okay? You got a rookie running back. Last year, this guy was playing at Penn State, which he was a good back, but he fumbled at Penn State. So I'm just thinking, maybe if he fumbled in college, maybe he might just fumble in the NFL. So he might not be ready for the role that you gave him. So that's what happened. So anyway, that being said, but you went out and got Jordan Howard, all pro. You put your faith into a rookie, you got an all-pro guy. And the only thing he does when he gets on the field is make productive plays. Man, I'm going to give Doug and Deuce and Mike Groh the benefit of the doubt. I'm not privy to practice and what Jordan Howard's doing practice and how you have to cut the playbook down. Maybe he doesn't got all the plays. I don't know. Maybe he got something wrong with blitz pickup. I don't know. I'm not privy to that. But what I am privy to is production that Miles Sanders is giving you. He's giving you almost nothing. You put the ball on the carpet, you're not giving me any production. So I don't blame Miles. Miles, it ain't gonna go in. Miles is sure. I'll go and I'll play coach. But I'll give it to Doug and Mike Groh and Deuce. What are y'all guys doing down there? You're driving me crazy. This guy is not ready to play NFL running back at that level. Come on, man. You can't see that. Put the ball on the carpet. Can't do it. Jordan Howard, your bell cow. That's who you got. And if you got a problem with blitz pickup, you got a problem learning plays, then spend a little more time with him, man, or something. Because that Miles Sanders guy's not ready right now. And plus, he runs kind of tentative. Don't he run kind of tentative? To me, it seems like it. He don't have that pop. Remember a jive? We had a jive hit the hole, had that pop. Miles don't got the pop, putting the ball on the carpet. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I don't see Miles Sanders as that dude, man, right now. I'm not saying he won't be a good NFL running back. I would never say that. He was good enough to make it. So I'm sure he will be, but right now he's not. And he's really not, especially when you got an all-pro walking on the sidelines. And every time the all-pro comes to the game, he's productive. So, I'm not, Now to my receivers. Now, I did get a lot of tweets, and I did get a lot of emails and stuff about the receivers not doing what they're supposed to do. Okay. J.J. Whiteside and Mac Hollins, balls hitting their hands, they're dropping balls. That can't happen. And, God texted me, they're professional. They should be able to catch the ball. And they're right. I agree. See, one thing about that, I agree. They're professional to be able to catch the ball. They should. But they're backups for a reason. They're backups for a reason. You got Alshon Jeffrey and Deshaun Jackson. They're your starters. There's a guy that Carson depends on. They're not there. So that means more you should rely on your running game because your wide receiver weapons ain't there, but that's a whole different story, man. Anyway, they're dropping balls. And Carson did a job. One guy texted me and said, Carson was playing at a high school level. What game you watching? Carson dropping dimes. Carson did his job. He can't spoon feed him the ball. They got to be able to catch the ball. So those guys, right at this particular time, J.J. Whiteside and Mac Hollins are not ready to be starters in the National Football League. That was evident today. You can't drop balls like that. You got to catch balls like that. So, but injury. When you go into battle, you got to go to full arsenal, and we would have a full arsenal. And what that does, it gives the defense. It gives the defense a short field to guard against, and it's hard to do that. You put the defense in a bad spot when you do that, especially when you put the ball on the carpet. Now to number 13, Nelly, Aggie, whatever you want to call him. I mean, come on, man. Do you need another mental health break? I mean, you put the ball on the carpet. No, hold on. Last week, you had a ball right in your hands. You're going to walk to the end zone. This week, you put the ball on the carpet. You're the veteran receiver out there, and you're playing like you're the rookies. Like you're a backup. Man, you're a starter, and you're playing like that. Put the ball on the carpet. Come on. I'm just tired of it. Come on, Nelson. What are you doing, man? God. I mean, I'm just livid, man. And I'm not so mad at the rookies or the second-year guys coming in because that was not to be expected, but that happens. Not at that level. But Nelson Aguilar, come on, you're the veteran receiver on the field, and you can't produce. You really can't produce. You're fumbling the ball in key situations. Maybe we gotta reevaluate some more. Maybe they should have traded you when they had a chance to trade you. Because man, this can't happen. You gonna rush Alshon Jeffrey and Deshaun back. Maybe not ready to come back, but they don't have to come back injured. Because the injured Alshon Jeffrey, injured Deshaun Jackson is much better than we had out there today, let me tell you. Horrible. So, Doug, I'm talking to you. Doug Peterson. You got to commit to the run with the right running back. Number 24, Jordan Howard is the right running back, not Miles Sanders. Miles Sanders is the backup. Matter of fact, I think he should be on the practice squad, but you do what you do. All right? So that's my offense in a nutshell. Production wasn't there. Two reasons that it wasn't there, that my main weapons on offense are injured, didn't play, and second reason was that Doug and Mike Groh and Deuce Staley are putting their faith into a rookie running back who is just not NFL, is just not living up to what he needs to be an NFL running back. All right? So let's move to my defense. I thought my defense played well. I really did. I thought they pressured Matt. They didn't get to him like I would like them to have gotten to Matt Stafford. But I thought they played well considering what the position the offense put them in. The offense put them in a bad position, man. Period. So nothing great stand out about the defense. I thought defense played a good game. They gave up 27 points, and You gave him 27 points. Really, it's only been 14, but your offense put you in a bad position and really hung you out there to dry, basically. So that is what it is. So what do we got? What we got coming up? Thursday night. Going to Green Bay. 3-0 Packers. I know they got a short week. We got a short week, but we're going to them. At 1-2, we're going to Green Bay. We could easily be 1-3. Seriously. With a semi-bye week, because you play on Thursday, you get them 3-4 extra days. So it's a game. We're gonna have to dig down deep and find a way to win. Did Alshon and Deshaun come back? Who knows? Maybe they be forced to rush back, because of the position, because of what we got on the field right now is not even adequate. Not even adequate. Too many drop passes. All right? But, I love my boys. They still my boys, and I'm always EAGLES all day. All right? So anything you agree with or disagree with, hit me on my Twitter at Me and My Eagles. Subscribe to my channel so we keep this thing going. I need your feedback. How do you feel about it? How do you feel about this this loss today? What do we got to do better? What are your thoughts? I need that. So hit me on my Twitter at Me and My Eagles. Subscribe to my channel, all that. Because it's always EAGLES all day. All right? My offensive player of the game is Matt Stafford. I thought Matt played well. I thought Matt threw the ball well when he needed to. So I give it to Matt Stafford. My defensive player of the game is the Detroit. No, my defensive player of the game is the Eagles offense. Because they play better deal on themselves than the Lions did. My special team player of the game, who cares, man? Look, we got to get it together. 1-2's not good. Cowboys sitting at 3-0. Granted, they had 3 cakewalks. And it's going to get a little tougher for them. So, but anyway, they're still 3-0. We're 1-2, looking up at the Cowboys. So that can't stay that way. Anyway, remember, as always, EAGLES all day. Yo, let's get ready for Thursday, 8:25, 8:20's kickoff on Fox NFL Network. So let's get together. Let's try to get this victory, all right? Yo, everybody have a good evening. Peace.